In this video, I'm going to show you how to take an advanced order trade on MatchTrader. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is sign into your account, and then you want to go to the top over here and go towards the left where it says trade. So just click on that to basically show your charts and stuff like that, and then you want to find the symbol or asset you want to trade. So I'm going to go inside favorites over here, and I'm going to just scroll up and find something over here. Let's just actually do over here, for example, Euro GBP, okay? I'm going to click on it, and it's going to populate my chart. And now from here, to take an advanced order trade, you can see there's the buy and sell button, and now there's a small button down here called advanced order. So to take the advanced order trade, you want to click on that, and it's going to pop up a new window where you basically can go and set if you want to add a market or pending order. So it's completely up to you. Then over here, you can enable a risk mode if you want to play with this as well. And then down here, you can select your volume, so you can set it over here, either type it in manually like this, or you could go and just press the plus and minus buttons, and that's going to work as well. Of course, you could also use this button over here to kind of slide it over, and of course, select how much you want in the volume. Then you can add a stop loss down here or a take profit as well. So if that's something you want to do, you can of course do it over here, then set it over here. This could be either in price or of course in value, percent, or points, up to you, whichever one you want to do. And then you have the sides, sell or buy over here as well. And whenever you are ready to actually proceed with your order, you can see your required margin, free funds, spread, and commission down here. If that's fine with you, just hit the buy or sell button, and this is how to take an advanced order trade on MatchTrader. Of course, then the order is going to go inside your open positions down here. If you want to modify them, use the spend button over here, which of course allows you to modify them here, or you could of course cancel it or see the info using these two buttons on the right. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.